Cool?
Whoa, cool.
1, 2, Daddy.
That's cool.
We're turning. They're turning those seeds.
Yeah.
They're turning those seeds.
Yeah, we're taking the seeds out.
We're going to make a jack-o'-lantern for Halloween.
Ooh, I know it.
Wow.
Well, you did one more. You did one more.
Look, Daddy's pulling all the seeds out.
Whoa.
Is Daddy pulling all the seeds out?
You're pulling all the seeds out.
Yeah, we're pulling the seeds out of the pumpkin to make the jack-o'-lantern.
You know, me scoop them.
Hmm?
You want to scoop them?
I want to scoop them too.
Okay.
I want to scoop them.
Okay. Stick your little hand in there.
Okay.
And you stick your hand in and scoop it out?
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Yeah, scoop, scoop. Can you scoop them some out?
Oh no. Uh-oh.
You got a little on you?
I got a little on me.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just pumpkin. It's not going to hurt you. Yeah.
No.
Can Daddy use the scoop?
Yeah, I use it.
Can you use it then? Can you take some out?
Okay. Now it's Daddy's turn.
Daddy's
Here,
turn? Okay.
Oh dear.
Oops, can you grab that seed that Daddy dropped?
Oh. Oh. There's a lot of seeds.
Lots of